Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to guide you how to add accounts in MKT Instagram version 1. So first that you can create like a category, you can paste the name in and you click the plus. You can show a category name here, and after that you can add accounts. From now you just need to copy all the accounts that you have and you can paste into the software. From now you need to choose the category you want to save to, and you can select the format of the accounts. For example, my account's format is username, password, email, and the last one is password of the email. And you can click the save, like the green button, so it can save all the accounts into the software. After it finishes saving, you can turn the small window off and you can click on the black one and you can choose the category and click load, so all the accounts will show into here. If you want to paste the proxy, you can mark on and you go paste proxy by turn. This is going to be the static proxy, but if you have a dynamic proxy, you can paste the API of the proxy in here. After that you click save and turn it off. So this is the end of the video. If you have any question, you can ask me in Telegram or WhatsApp. Thank you.